Hey guys, my name is Aman and in this video I'm going to talk about the Imou IP67 Weatherproof Outdoor Bullet Security Camera. Let me tell you more about it. This 1080p Full HD and night vision security camera provides crystal clear videos and recordings even in pitch darkness. Furthermore, the durable IP67 outdoor camera can withstand temperatures ranging from -30 to 60 and work in stormy, snowy and bad weather conditions. And the built-in high-quality microphone can pick up sounds clearly while monitoring. In addition, the fact that it is equipped to detect humans allows the camera to avoid false alarms from animals, raindrops, moving vehicles, etc. And if you want to watch the activities captured in the camera remotely, all you have to do is connect your smartphone to the camera. So simple, isn't it? So go ahead and secure your house with Imou.
Introducing the Imou IP67 Weatherproof Outdoor Bullet Security Camera. This security camera is designed for homes and small-medium businesses. The open cloud platform allows third-party integration, making Imou perfect for building smart IoT ecosystems. With the 1080p sensor and cutting-edge H.265 compression, you can enjoy crystal clear images and video without having to worry about storage space and network bandwidth. The camera can connect to your smartphone, and through the Imou app, you can always stay connected by remotely monitoring from anywhere in the world, anytime. As well as viewing live or recorded video, you can keep aware of what's exactly happening thanks to the built-in high-quality microphone. The built-in IR LEDs achieve night vision capability up to 30 meters thanks to the enhanced IR lighting and the professional image processing algorithm. You can choose the level of storage for your needs. Footage can be stored locally on a microSD card, a network video recorder, or on the secure Imou cloud. The camera works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can watch live with a simple voice command. In the box, you will find one camera, one power adapter, one power cable, a mounting plate, one quick service guide, 3 sets of screws, and a user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.